Ciao guys, welcome to IWA 2023. We're here at the MKM booth and we are here to show you some of our news. So we want to start with the Eclipse, designed by Jesper Voxnäs. It's Magna cut steel, titanium frame lock with overlays and titanium bend clip. It has flipper opening, very fast, and we also have this thumb hole that you can use to flick open your knife. It will be available in different variation, and we expect to get that around June, July this year. Going up next, one of my favorite new knives for this year. We're speaking about Bob Terzuola design, and this is called TPF Defense. Probably some of you recognize this from the past. It's a very traditional design from Bob, and also for this we use Magna cut. This version is the classic Bob Terzuola version with micarta and a bit blasted finish blade. This will be a pocket fixed blade, and as the macro you have the magnetic leather sheath, so you can carry in your pocket very easily. Next in line is the MKM Love. This is something that in this case we would like to make a knife that you can use to work. So we decided to have a back lock, very strong lock, and 690 blade. FRN handles that doesn't have any steel liner because we have been able to find the right mixture and thickness to have a solid structure. You can see I try to push that, but it's not moving. The clip is a wire clip and is reversible, so basically the knife is completely ambidextrous. It is a two-hand opener, or you can open it with the thumb. Going ahead, so we made in the past the Malga 6, that is this guy here with M390 blade. You can see M390 marked on the blades, but this is just because we have a mistake in marking. And the new versions will be made with Magna cut steel and steel 420 tools. We have the Malga 6 with this tool setup. This will be the Campo 7, so different setup. And the Malga 5. They will come with different handle materials. They will be exactly this one. So micarta, green, natural, and black. So the last one in line is a knife that is not a 2023 news. It's something that we introduced in 2022 Blade Show, and it's the MKM Miura, the winner of Important Knife of the Year on Blade Show 2022. And we would like just to let you know that we are hardly working on that, and they will be ready very soon. So stay tuned for them. Ciao guys, thank you, and see you next time.
Thank you very much.